Yeah, guess what time it is? Salmon fishing 2025. Here we are. What do you say, babe? Okay, early in the morning, second day. We didn't go out opening day, so we'll see what happens out here. A little trouble getting the motor going again. I wouldn't think so with the Yamaha, but looks like it'd be a nice day today. Hey, well, didn't get it on film, but we just got one. First one of the year. Nice silver buck.
Oh, he's got fucking teeth.
He's got some teeth, yeah.
He's got some fucking teeth.
Lift him up and get him up there. Here, move it. Yep, I got a fish. Oh, just lost him.
Oh no.
Which means we gotta play it out if it is. Yeah, silvers don't normally do this, so.
He's a king.
You gotta take. Oh, we took out a bunch of line on you.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, he's heading Quig Lake.
King.
Oh, I know he's a king. Come on, you gotta get out of there.
Yep.
Oh. Well, this isn't gonna work. Grab him again. If we can.
It's fine.
Definitely a king salmon. Probably a good 20 pounder. Strong little rascal. You probably couldn't get him up anyway.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, what do I do? Okay. Oh, Jesus. We're gonna have to see what we can do here. Okay. Okay, this boy, you're ready to go. Okay, that's a nice release. There he goes. There he went. Nice job, babe. Wow. Ooh. You got a fish. He's got a fish. Here we go. First thing in the morning.
In the fog.
In the fog. Way to go. Well, it's a nice day. Ah, yeah, there's the weight. 2 fish in the boat. Yeah, we had about 15 minutes. There was just a ton of fish coming through. That's even bigger than your last one. Well, we got to get going.
Let's go. Look, he's pumping out blood.
Pumping out blood. He bled good. Well, I only got one today, but still was a great day. All right.
There you go.
That. She's pretty happy. That's bright. Scales are just coming off.
All right.
Nice.
Let's go.
Okay, we think she's got a salmon on. Salmon on. Got it. Let me get the... I can't reach it. It fell down on the ground. Here. Let me get him. Okay. Nice. About time. Wow. And that was casting.
That was casting.
Finally got something here. Oh. Yeah, looks like a sea lion trout. Well, been fishing for a while, haven't caught nothing. Come on, little guy. He's starting to get a few colors. About 10 inches. What do you think? Not quite what we want, huh? Yeah. Oh, looks like I got maybe got a salmon on here. Oh, these are ready. He's a little bit red. Got nothing. In the tree over there, kind of looking at us. Probably hope we catch some fish. There's my wife down there. She's kind of taking her time. There's a lot of water in today. First cast. 10th of November. See what happens. Most people have given up on fishing about now. So it's kind of nice to come out here. You don't have to fight any crowds. I'm using a brass flash glow today. This is probably a 3/8 ounce. I don't really think it matters too much. G Loomis pole. Extra fast action. Great poles. They're handmade in Woodland, Washington. In case anybody wants to know.